Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can hide all of your Facebook photos and then only change the everyone setting to only me setting so that only you will be able to see your posts and photos on your Facebook timeline or your Facebook profile. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So in this video, we are going to learn how you can hide all of your Facebook photos really easily so that you can change from public or your friends to only me. So what you want to do is simply follow a few steps which I described in this video. First of all, simply open your browser whichever you have on your device. Once you open your browser, in the search box you want to head over to facebook.com and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. What you want to do is after you log in, right over here on the screen, on the top right hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see this little down arrow icon. You want to simply tap on this down arrow icon and then head over to settings and privacy at the first option. So as you go to settings and privacy, you can see here on the top of the list we have the option called settings. So you want to simply go ahead and tap on the settings button. As you tap on the settings, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. So what we want to do is on the left hand side of the screen, you want to simply select and go to this privacy option right over here. As you go to privacy option, you can see this is how it will look like. Now here you can scroll down and you can see your activity section right over here. And here you can see who can see your future posts. So what you want to do is simply tap on edit right over here. Currently it is set to public. You want to tap on it and then select only me right over here. And then go ahead and tap on close. Once you set it to only me, you can also choose to edit who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. If you want, then you can also simply tap on this to only me as well. If you want to limit the audience for posts you share with the friends or public, then you can also limit your past posts right over here. And if you want, you can also review all of the posts you were tagged in and so on. Now, whenever you post a new photo or video to your Facebook, only you are going to be able to see it and nobody else. So if I go to my profile section right over here, and then I try to tap on any of the photos right over here on my screen. Now, if I go right over here on the screen, you can set this to only me as well, doing this individually very easily. So in this way, you can really easily hide all of your photos from everybody and set it to only me. We hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.